Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Stephanie here. If you guys are not familiar with me, definitely hit subscribe. Stop this video right now, go hit subscribe, maybe click on that little bell so you can get a notification every time I post. I post every Wednesday and every Friday of every week, so definitely come back on Friday and join me on the next one. Today I will be doing this look for you guys. This is a natural fluffy brow with freckles. I did a little faux freckle moment, slapped on some lashes, a very natural look with just some clear lip gloss. I obviously have makeup on, but it's not that noticeable. It's perfect for my natural girls out there, as well for those girls that you're about to go to work, you're about to go to school, whatever it may be, you're about to go out and you want to look a little more fresh. Like, not just like you woke up and you literally just got out and like left. You actually want to look a little more presentable. This is definitely the best option for you guys, and I will be explaining exactly how I did this look. I will have every product linked down below, so definitely check those out if you are interested in any of the products I used today. Without further ado, I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get into this video. Alrighty guys, what is up? So I already did this brow. As you can see, it's a little more of a feather out, kind of natural looking brow, so that's what I'm going for this little natural brow, natural glowing skin freckle moment. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did this brow, a little more feathered out, bushy over here. You guys know I'm more into the structured brow always, so this is a little change. What I do, I dip into my pot, right here. I'm gonna squeeze the two ends of my eyeliner together. I like to keep like a baby wipe or a makeup wipe close by so I can just like clean my hand after. But we want to just kind of start feathering it out. See that? We're just gonna start doing feather motions throughout the brow. I keep a spoolie, you know, just to comb up my brow hairs. And I kind of just fill in the sparse places. I still like to try to make that sculpture, like that straight line underneath my brow, just to still give it that form. And there you go, we got a little more of a bushy brow. I'm gonna go in with some brow gel. This is just the e.l.f. clear brow gel. I'm just gonna comb them up, comb my brow hairs up. Now I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M432. I'm just gonna take a little bit of foundation. So this is the Maker Forever foundation. And I'm just gonna take a little bit just to carve out my brow underneath, but not too much to the point where you can definitely like hella see it. Just a little. That's why I'm going in with foundation instead of concealer, to give me more of that natural bushy brow. Got some more natural, everyday, fresh face. I just woke up like this kind of brow. Now let's get into the skin. Before I started my brows, I actually moisturized. This is just a collagen serum, and I apply this all over my face as well as put some sunscreen on. And this also is just gonna help me moisturize my face. So, really moisturize it because we want that hydrating kind of look to our skin today. Facial spray. Want to really hydrate our skin. This is just the Mario Badescu facial spray. Alrighty guys, now that we have our settings, well not setting spray, our facial spray on, I'm just gonna go in with a hydrating primer. This is the Hard Candy Hydrating Primer, 24-hour moisture. It's just in this tube. I actually really like this primer. I haven't used it in a while, but since we are hydrating at the max today, to really give our face that glowy, dewy, natural face look, as well as your neck. Can't forget your neck. Today we're gonna go in with some foundation. We want a little hydrating foundation, so I'm gonna be going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Stick. And I'm also gonna be mixing a little bit of the Anastasia in there. So we're gonna just do half and half. So go in with a little bit of the Anastasia, if you guys did not get that. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and mix a little bit of this right on there. Awesome, we're gonna use our Real Technique sponge. You see that glow, guys? Oh, really? And chasing that glow. That's what we're looking for. Alright, guys, there we go. We have a super glowy face going on right now, which is what I was looking for. That's exactly what I want, is a very glowy face. Now we're gonna go in with some concealer. We're gonna go in with our Too Faced concealer. This is the Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer. We're only gonna use a bit. Just the tiniest bit. Alright guys, so I am gonna go in and set the face. Well, not the whole face, we're only gonna set on under eyes, just so we don't look like a creasy mess under there. Of course, with my Laura-mercier translucent powder, and set my under eye. Make sure you don't have any creases before you go ahead and set your under eye. Now going in with some cream contour, I'm going to take my Morphe 6166. Just kidding, I think I messed that up. M166. I'm dead. I'm going to take my Anastasia cream contour, and I'm going to be going into these two shades right here. So this one and this one. And we're really gonna a little bit. Start off small. I'm gonna take a little bit on my temples, just right over here. A little bit of my jawline. Just gonna go ahead and go in with more foundation and make sure everything is crisp, because I don't want a messy contour line either though. You know what I mean? So we're just gonna go in. We're looking very fresh face. Am I wrong? Very fresh face. We're gonna go in with our Wet n Wild Color Icon Pearlescent Pink blush, and we're gonna blush up the face. Taking a Luxie 516. I'm just gonna kind of just. I like to go ham with blush. Y'all notice. I'm gonna start kind of bringing the blush in, kind of looking sunburnt. Now we're gonna go in with some freckles. Yes, we're gonna go in with the freckle look. Guys, now I'm gonna take my Anastasia Brow Wiz, and this is in the shade Medium Brown. I'm just gonna start ever so lightly. Not a lot of pressure, guys. The least pressure, the more natural they're gonna look. And just kind of do freckles all around. And of course, you can add more, you can add less, whatever your heart desires. So that's enough for me. They're very light, not too bad, but I am gonna go right on top with the Beauty Blender and just kind of tap them in. Go. Now we're gonna go in with some highlights. Going in to my Strawberry Dream palette. If you guys have not seen the review on this, I will leave it linked down below because it's a really good review. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight. I'm gonna take the shade Lightning, which has a really pretty gold reflex. To look dewy. Alrighty guys, now we're gonna go in with some mascara. So I just curled my lashes, and I'm gonna go in with my Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara by L'Oreal. And we're just gonna give our lashes a good coat or two. Guys, so dewy natural face is in full force right now. I'm gonna go in with a Milani Make It Last setting spray. This is a 16-hour wear, so just woo, we are gonna look extremely just kind of pounce that in. I want to really melt that highlight into the skin. Now we're gonna go ahead and put on some lips. We're actually not gonna do anything big for the lips. Obviously, this is a more natural, glowy, bronzy kind of a look. So we're just gonna go in. This is the Ulta Lip Oil, and this is in the shade Jade. These are super cute little lip oils. It comes in a pack of 4 and they're all stone names. So if you guys are familiar with stones, you guys, this one's called Jade, but there's one that's called like Amethyst, and then there's 2 more. There's Rose Quartz, and then there's another one that I can't really remember, but they're super cute glosses. Just by itself or on top of a lip, honestly, I do either or. And they just give your lip such a beautiful gloss. Alrighty guys, so this is gonna be the end of the look. I did slap on some lashes, so that's that. And we put on a natural lash because obviously this is a fresh face kind of look. So these are gonna be the Jasmin Brown XLer lashes from Target. So if you guys want to get that, I'll definitely leave them linked down below. But I just slapped some lashes on, and that's gonna be the finished look for you guys. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little fluffy brow, freckle moment, fresh skin, glossy lip, easy to go with. Definitely good for my girls out there that are on the go, have kids, have work, have school, whatever it is. You gotta go, you gotta be out the door, quick, easy, boom, bang, you're done. This is the perfect look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and figured out how I did this little fresh face kind of look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget, I post every Wednesday and every Friday of every week, so definitely come back on Friday and join me on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. That would help me out so much. Definitely go subscribe, guys. Go hit that post notification bell, because if you click on that, you will get notified every time I post, and I will be posting very frequently. You'll have constant content coming your way, so definitely do that. Also, don't forget to follow me on my other social media, such as Twitter and Instagram. I will always leave those linked down below, as well as all the details and all the products that I used in today's face. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.